Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a product. The link is going to be in the description with a discount code, so if anyone is interested in it, the link will be in the description with the discount code. So, for all of us gardening individuals, I've got this. And this is a gardening stool.
By Deerfamy.
By Deer, yeah, okay. Now, there we go. Now we know that that is nice and secure. There we go. Okay. So with this, as you can see, it has a wide base, which is good. So when you're gardening, you can be doing this to pull out your weeds. Okay. It also comes with a kneeler. So you can use the kneeler one of two ways. Put it here, kneel like this, and do what you gotta do. Or, as I sometimes do, I just kneel on it and bend. But the choice is yours. Another great thing with this company is when you order this, it also comes with, which I think is just nifty, it comes with your tool pouches. Stick them over there. Put your tools in. I always keep my scissors with me. So, do it like that. So you got one for each one, okay? 2, they also give you these cool gloves. I wish I'd have had this when I was finishing up my garden. So you have this. And then you have this one as well. So if you're a person like BB, who always misplaces her claw, now you got one built in. Let me show you how nice this works. Anyone gives you any crap, just thank your cat. No, that's just a joke, y'all. Don't do that. So, I have got a habit of doing this. Well, now, I can use this instead of my fingers and just gloves and still tearing up my fingers. So this alone is well worth it.
And then when you turn that upside down, you can put the pouches the other way and kneeling.
You sure can. Let me show you. But with this, I like it because it's not just 2 pockets. You can put a lot of tools in there. So for like me, another reason I like using it this way is because sometimes I have a hard time with it being straight up, taller, it bothers my back. So if I'm like this and I'm happening to pull weeds, it's not as strenuous on my back. And then, so I'm not struggling to get up, you still have your arms to help push up. So you're not straining your knees, your back, or your legs to get up. So that's another good thing.
And it's easy to fold?
Very easy to fold, and I'm going to show you the difference compared to when I bought. I do use, or I have used this one a lot. So, as you can see, the seat part of it, the one that I first bought, is very, very small, narrow. This one is much wider and more stability. And the reason I say stability is because of this. On the bottom, there are no grips to where this has it.
Because you can stand on it too as well.
You could also use this as a step stool. Okay? Trust me, I would not dare try that standing on that one. So, I like this one much better. And the fact that it is a little bit shorter but wider. To close it, cameraman could get a little closer here. I can show you this. You pull this, squeeze it, down you go. Squeeze it, down you go. Then you just put it away until the next time you need it. So guys, again, the product code will be in the description, in the details of the video, with a product code. So,
and the link
to the company and the product. So again, if you are in the need, these will also make great gifts for the gardener in your life who's always out and about in the garden. And probably getting, to get sore easy. This would be a great companion. And you're not having to lug all your tools. Once you get your little sacks in there, you're good to go. So anyway, if you guys have any comments, please leave them in the comment box. And until the next video, everyone take care of one another, take care of yourselves. See ya.